Hello friends, welcome to Automation Community. Today, in this video, I am going to show you an example on logic gates. So let's see the example first. Example 1. If switch 1 is on, then motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 will be on. If switch 2 is on, then motor 1 and motor 2 will be on. And if switch 3 is on, then motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 will be off. So we will move to EcoStructure Machine Expert, where we will draw a ladder diagram for this example. We will open EcoStructure Machine Expert. Firstly, we will keep read protection as inactive and write protection as inactive, and then click on Apply. Now, we will go to Configuration tab, where we will select a logic controller. I will take TM221C24R. I will click on it and drag it to here. Do you want to replace? Yes. Then I will go to serial line and set protocol as TMH2GDB and then click on Apply. Now I will go to Programming tab. Here we will be drawing ladder logic. I can also click on full screen mode and zoom into it. So, if switch 1 is on, then motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 will be on. So I will take a normally open contact and insert it here. Then I will take 3 coils. I will click on it and then click here. I will take another coil and insert it here. Then another coil and then insert here. So we need to connect these coils. I will click on this option and draw a line like this. So all the coils are connected. Now we need to assign address to the contact as well as the coils. So I will click on address I 0.0. I will also add symbol as switch 1. Click on yes. Then I will assign address to the coils as Q 0.0, Q 0.1, Q 0.2. I will also add symbols to the coils as motor 1. Yes. And then we can also add symbol here as motor 2, then motor 3, and then click on Apply. So if switch 1 is on, motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 will be on. Then if switch 2 is on, then motor 1 and motor 2 will be on. That means when we turn on switch 2, then motor 3 will be off and motor 1 and motor 2 will still remain on. So we will connect switch 2 as normally closed contact with motor 3. I will insert a normally closed contact with motor 3 and assign address as I 0.1. I will also add symbol as switch 2 and then yes. So, as switch 2 is a normally closed contact, when we modify it to true, the current will not pass through it and motor 3 will be in false state. Then, if switch 3 is on, then motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 will be off. So in this case, we will keep switch 3 as normally closed contact, as when we modify normally closed contact as true, it will not conduct electricity, which results the motor 1, the motor 2 and motor 3 will be off. We can add normally closed contact here, so that when we turn on this switch, the current will not pass through it and motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 will be off. We can also add this normally closed contact separately for motor 1 here, motor 2 here and for motor 3 here. For now, I will take it here and assign address as I 0.2. I will add symbol as switch 3 and then yes. So, when I turn on switch 1, the current will pass through it and then switch 3 is a normally closed contact. In false state, the current will also flow through it and motor 1 will be on, motor 2 will also be on and then switch 2 is also a normally closed contact. In false state, it will also pass current and motor 3 will also be on. When we turn on switch 2, as it is a normally closed contact, on modifying it to true, the current will not pass through it and motor 3 will be in false state. Motor 3 will get off. And then when we turn on switch 3, as it is a normally closed contact, on modifying it to true, the current will not pass through it, which results in motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 will be off. Now we will exit full screen mode and then we will compile the program. We will zoom out. Now we will go to commissioning. Here we will launch simulator. And then I will start controller. To do so, click OK. As you can see here, when I turn on switch 1, the current will pass through it. Then switch 3 is a normally closed contact. It will pass current and then motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 are in true states. All the motors are on. And when I turn on switch 2, the motor 1, motor 2 are on, but as switch 2 here is a normally closed contact, on modifying it to true, the current will not pass through it. As a result, motor 3 will be off. And when I turn on switch 3, as here switch 3 is a normally closed contact, on modifying it to true, the current will not pass through it. As a result, motor 1, motor 2 and motor 3 will be off. It was all about example 1. Thank you for watching.